Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: an iPhone 16 Pro Max on the latest iOS and a live photo in Photos. First, open settings and confirm haptics is enabled and low power mode is off so live wallpaper animates. Next, go to Photos, find your live photo and tap the share icon, choose Use as Wallpaper. You're starting the setup now. This ensures the system treats the image as a live photo, not a still. Make sure to preview the motion before applying. Once done in Photos and Use as Wallpaper, select Live Photo Mode explicitly. Live must be highlighted. Then tap Set and choose Set Lock Screen. Live wallpapers animate only on the lock screen, not the home screen. Make sure the Preserve Live Photo toggle is on, and pinch to move and scale so the subject is centered. After adjusting, press Set again. This sequence makes the system register the image as an animated wallpaper rather than a static snapshot. To finish, lock the phone, then wake and long press the lock screen to trigger the live effect. You should feel a subtle haptic and see motion. If nothing happens, make sure haptics is enabled, low power mode is off, and the image is still a live photo in Photos. Sometimes the live flag is lost. If that fails, restart the iPhone and reapply the wallpaper. As a last resort, recreate the live photo or use Photos Edit Revert to original, then repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.